Welcome everyone back again to another video on this channel. This time the topic is how to open a Notion app on iPhone on home screen, right? So essentially you have the basic way of adding Notion using the app icon, which can easily be brought over from the app library to any of your pages. I mean, this is okay, but some people would like to get more. And it is quite possible using widgets. So if you, for example, use Notion quite regularly, I know you might have a habit tracker set up in here. In case you don't want to go through all of the steps to get to your favorite pages, what you can do is you can set up a widget. So when you hold down on the screen, you can click on Edit, add a new widget, then click on and look up the Notion. Few options, but the first one is quite good for one page only. So when you click and add this to your home screen, while you're still in this like shaking mode, in the edit mode, you can tap on this and choose the page which is going to be added there. So I'm going to at first pick my workspace and then choose the page. Let's say it's going to be the habit tracker. This means that right now I don't have to open up the Notion and, get inside through whatever, perhaps I might be using something else. I don't have to always just look up Notion and go to my habit tracker. I can easily just access it right away from the home screen. It's a large panel right here, so it's very useful. But as you can notice, there are some other widgets available for Notion as well. So you have the favorites, you have the favorites in larger size, you have the recents and recents in larger size. I made a very specific video covering exactly what each widget does. So in case you want to, you can check it out on this channel. But for now, that's going to be about it. I'm going to wrap it up. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe below to this channel so you never miss videos like these, and I'll see you in the next one.